guys, and welcome to Learn With Us How To. Today we're gonna try one thing that I haven't tried before, and frankly I haven't checked any videos about it, but I'm just gonna try it. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but what I did is I just removed the hard disk from one of my computers that we're waiting for a graphic card for it, and we have ordered several ones, and they are not fitting the case because it's a mini computer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that mini computer hard disk, which is 2 TB, and try to connect it to my amazing computer Asus. So after I install the graphic card, so what I'll do is I'll just take that hard disk and see if I can add it. I don't know the steps, but we'll just try, and we'll see if it's gonna work or not. So this is the hard disk that I took from the other computer, the mini one, and I'm gonna attach it here. So what I'm gonna do is I need to put this one here, add it there, as you can see there, down there, right? And I'll just put this to the side, and let's see how it's gonna work. Okay, first step. So I got it in finally. So I don't know if I need to put space between it or attach it, but as we're just trying now, so we don't know if it's gonna work or not. So what I gotta do is I'm gonna attach not this one here, this one here. So I'll attach it to it, so connect it, so as you can see here. So let's see, it's gonna work or not. Don't try it at home before you check other videos, after you check the experts. So I'm not an expert, but I'm gonna try this. Okay, so this is connected. So I need to connect this right now here somewhere. So I don't know if it's gonna reach or not, but it's not gonna reach. So what I need to do is I need to remove this graphic card. So just disconnect the graphic card. Thanks. Alright. So, and try to remove the graphic card completely so I can attach this here. Let's see. Can I do it without removing? It's not gonna reach. So what I gotta do is disconnect the graphic card, which I just installed new one. So disconnected. So we have to disconnect this two here. Can you see here? Right? I've disconnected. Okay, it's disconnected, and you have to remove it. So just open it from this side. It's not yet connected, so just go down there, click on that, open it, and using two hands, disconnect it, put it somewhere here. And so what I gotta do is I gotta put this one in this side, right? So now this is connected, okay? So what I'll do right now is just put the graphic card back, and let's see if the magic works or not. So today I've been moving. If you check my other video on Learn With Us How To, just explained how I installed the graphic card and how I configure it, the black screen. So let's see. So now we put the graphic card back. Is it in? Is it in or not? Okay. Let's make sure that it's in. As you can see there, right? It doesn't show that it is in. So just make sure. Okay, so I made sure it's in, right? So what I'll do is just put this back here and connect it. Connect the graphic card, right? So everything is set up, connected. We just, before we close the case and set up all this, we just make sure that it's working first, fast, first, whatever. So So what I'll do, I always like, to use both. I have two screens, so I'll use the DVI and I'll use the HDMI. Let's see. Just make sure it's connected so it fits. Okay, so now it's connected properly. So now I connect the power. Make sure the power is connected. I hope it works, because if it works, I have a previous 1 terabyte plus 2 terabytes. That's 3 terabytes. That's gonna be amazing. Let's see. Switch it on. Please work. Please work. Everything is in, properly installed. Yes, it did work. It did work. Whoa, previously it used to get me a black screen. It did work. So let's see now. That hard disk, it has an operating system in it, and my hard disk has an operation system, which is Asus. So it boarded with the Asus. So let's see what's gonna happen when it starts. So I'll just wait to get it in. So let's see if the hard disk, the extra hard disk is added to the computer. So I'll just go to my folder here. Let's see. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Wow. So it's loading. Just wait for it. Okay, so let's go to PC. Click on PC. And let's see if it is added or not. Okay, as you can see here, it did not show up. It showed up here as an edge. And if you click on it, it just says that please insert the disk music. Okay, so didn't get not recognize it. So as I know, in this case what I do is I just go to drive or device manager. So as you can see there, I'll just click on device manager. That's device manager. And then go to maybe monitors, I'll go to portable device. As you can see here, portable device, there it is Edge. As you can see, it's recognized it as Edge. I'll go to that and I'll see if I can update it. I don't know if that works. I'm connected to the internet, so I'll just search. See if it works. The best drive for a device are already installed. Okay. So clicked on update. Again, let's see. I think this is just bringing your computer update or something. So I don't know what to do. Scan maybe for hardware changes. No, it's not working. So maybe I'll go to properties. I don't know, this is the same thing. So I hope that, I tried all steps, so if anyone thinks that there is a step that I'm missing to do this, please comment below so I can fix this as soon as possible. I would really appreciate it. As you can see, I've done all the steps that are required, and it's frankly not working. Yeah, everything installed. I put the wires, everything there. That's connected below this graphic card. So let me know, comment below, and just let me know how to fix it up. I would really appreciate it. Or for now, I'll just remove it and I'll just unplug that and cover the case and wait for your comments, guys, because really it's a 2 terabyte. It will add me, so I have 1 terabyte, this was 2 terabytes, so there's going to be 3 terabytes. So I'll wait for your comments, guys. Thank you very much and have a sweet dreams. So now just to remove the hard disk, so what I'll do is I'll just remove the power. Okay, because I need to remove the graphic card to remove the wire. So just remove that, and I'll try to touch something metal with the 5 hands here, so you can get like shock, as they say. Ahmed, can you give me that? The cover? Can you give me that? Yeah. Just put it here. Okay, so I don't know. I will say that you have to touch metal with your 5 hands before you touch the motherboard, so it removes the electric shocks. So that's what I did. So we'll just remove the graphic card. Okay. From here. That's removed. And I'll just open it from here. Open this. Remove this. Gently put it aside and disconnect it. Was not even disconnected. Was not even connected properly, I guess. Whatever. I'll just wait for your comments. I don't know. So remove this. I'll take this graphic card somewhere safer. Just put it aside. Just disconnect this from here. And disconnect it from here. And remove it smoothly so you don't hurt anyone, and you don't hurt the wires or the motherboard or whatever. I think I'll use my 2 hands. Just give me a moment. So it's removed. As mentioned, guys, please, I'm just waiting for your comments to let me know what should I do and what mistake did I make. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like. We have a lot of videos, by the way, to learn with us how to, but this one will learn from you guys. Let us know what we can do to fix this issue. Thank you, guys. Okay, so right now I'm putting back the hard disk to the mini computer that I told you guys that I took from. What I'm discovering is that there is this piece. I don't know where it was, really. I really forget. I don't know where it was this. So I checked on the new my other PC and this one here. I don't know which part is this. So here, you guys, if you can tell me also in the comments below. So where would this piece go? Frankly, it's been like half an hour right now, and I don't know exactly where it was. So, but I see this one is loose. I don't know why it's loose. So, was it here somewhere? I mean, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit, really doesn't fit. So, you know what, I'll just keep it for a side. Maybe you guys would know, and you know, let me know. Teach me, comment below, and let's see what we can do. Let's see. So I'll just put this back here for some time till you guys let me, because really the problem with this one here mini is that we got a graphic card and it didn't fit here. It was a bigger one. Then we returned it, and we got another graphic card. We just bought it and it didn't fit also, just like that. The previous one was 2 fans. This one is like 1 fan and it couldn't fit. So we're gonna return it back. That's why I want to use the hard disk on the other PC. So yeah, guys, I mean, I teach you things, you also teach me some things that I don't know, really. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good night. All right, so I found those extra. That's extra. This is extra. I don't know which part of the mini PC that we missed. So I already covered it, closed it to show you. So all of this part are missing. So sad. I don't know exactly where to put them, but as I showed you, I mean, let me know. Comment below. Let's see what happens. So this is the graphic card that I bought, and I told you it didn't work on the mini PC as the space actually. So I don't know. Maybe I'll give you details of the motherboard. Let's see. Here it is. So this is the details for it. HP. And everything here, I don't know, you could know by the serial number or model number. It's the model number. Let's see. That's the model number, 510P109. And as I told you, this is already the second graphic card. The first graphic card was this one here, and Gigabyte, they said they don't want to return it because it's already unboxed. So it's double fan, so it didn't work. So I bought this one here, one fan. It also didn't fit. So if you guys really know how can I get a graphic card that would fit that many HP PC, please comment below. Let me know. That would be really helpful. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Let's see the comments below to help us resolve the issues.